you see how this tree is, right? And then you see how that tree over there is, right? The yellow one. Now tell me the difference between them. That's right. This one over here is more fluffy. You see how it looks kind of like an animal, like the leaves are on top of the branches instead of just at the ends of them? You normally wouldn't see this because the trees have adapted. You see it. So you remember how trees, they take in sunlight and they use the leaves to take it as food, right? So that means that if it's taking the top of the branches over here and the sun is going directly in, then that means it gets more food. So it's a very cool adaptation, and you don't normally see this in the wild. But that means that these trees over here will live very long lifespans.
The trees have figured out that there aren't enough leaves at the edges, so they're putting more leaves on their branches
And trunks.
to produce more food, because that's what leaves do. They process sunlight for that tree. So that means this tree is going to live long. This tree is so smart, and it has adapted.
Yeah, it's not just this tree over here. You see that it's starting to cover all of the trees. All of the old ones, all of the long ones, all of the tall ones, all of the thick branches. They have
Trees are
started to be
getting
covered.
very fluffy. And look at the underbranch. The underbranch, there's no leaves there because it doesn't get sunlight, so it doesn't need leaves on the underbranch.
Yeah.
Trees are gonna get so fluffy.